you have been using 1688 and Alipay to source and ship products from China, you need to pay proper attention to this particular video right here. And if you are the type that fall in this category, you need to instantly start looking for a solution in order not to lose money in your Alipay and at the same time lost access to your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, however, or Pilud or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, if you are using 1688 to source and you are using Alipay to make payments on either 1688, however, or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce app, you need to pay proper attention to this video and apply a right C caution in order not to lose money and lose access to some of these Chinese e-commerce apps. So let me show you. So someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel, and I'm going to open up the message right here. So this is the person that reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. You can see, good morning, sir. A friend of mine is saying that whenever I want to pay for his item on 1688, this is what pop up. What should I do? Now let's check out the message. So this is the message right here that always pop up each time this person here wants to make payment in Alipay. And what exactly actually happened? So the message read here that there is a security risk in the current account. To protect the security of the account and fund, the payment function has been temporarily closed. Please click I want to restore the function to apply for the restriction to be lifted and continue to pay. So this is the message right here. Once you click on sure, it's going to cut. Now, what actually happened here is that Alipay disabled the payment function of this particular account. And I will tell you why. And what exactly actually happened to this account. So let's go back. So this is my message right here. And I said the person needs to contact Alipay support. And this is my response right here. I said he should forget about the account. Ooh, why? Then I state further. He should forget about the account or contact Alipay support if he has a proof of ownership. So this is where the problem starts. Proof of ownership. And proof of ownership is one of the important factors you need to take into consideration in Alipay. Anybody can have issue with Alipay account. Once you have issue with Alipay account, if you do not have proof of ownership, you may not be able to solve the problem. And what is the proof of ownership? Proof of ownership is simply means that the identity that you use to verify the account. A lot of people are using other people's identity to verify account, which is exactly what happened to this person right here. So you can see the message right here. He said he used a friend passport to do the registration. The friend too has traveled. So you can imagine. So this is where the problem lies now. Then I say, I hope he does not have money in the Alipay. So, no, he's finished. I said, good for him. Please, what next? I said, the issue like this is simple and straightforward since he's not the account owner because he used someone else's passport. So he should forget about the account or contact the person whom he used his passport for verification in Alipay to help him to unlock the account. Simple as that. Say, okay, thank you. Now, the danger here is that if the person that they use their passport to verify the Alipay account, we are not in the same country or the same region, the account will never be restored. Thank God for this person here, they do not have money in that Alipay account. Now, the danger here is that whenever you open an Alipay account, it is always advisable that you use your personal international passport to verify the account. I always say something about this because the issue like this can come up at any point in time. You may fund your Alipay account right now and you get logged out or asking for a further verification of the account. So imagine if you are not the owner of the account and you just fund the account, that is how a lot of people are losing money into Alipay. So it is always advisable that when you create Alipay account, make sure you verify with your international passport, which is highly recommended. Should in case you have any issue with Alipay, you will have you'll be able to prove that you are the owner of the account. Because when Alipay account asks, because when Alipay asks for proof of ownership, they will ask for international passport, and you will make a video of your identity, your face, your real face. You will make a video and provide them to Alipay before they can unlock the account and solve the problem. And as a result of this person will not be able to purchase on 1688, Taobao, any Chinese e-commerce app or website, because this Alipay was linked to every Chinese e-commerce app and or website. So it's that simple. So in a nutshell, if you are having an Alipay account, make sure you do not borrow someone's passport, whether friend or relative passport, to verify the account. It is always advisable that you use your personal identity, your personal information to verify the account, to avoid story that touch heart, should in case you have issue with your Alipay accounts. This is a stance warning I have for you as far as your Alipay and 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. If you still have any further question as far as this is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you still have issue with your Alipay account, your 1688, or you still want to know more about these two apps or any other Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can also put your question in the comment section down below, or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.